Welcome back. This is the other joystick from the pair of weird games consoles, USI 88 in one. There's quite a bit of corrosion in there. It takes a DC jack. Apparently it is 9 volts. There's, with batteries, with the adapter, there's no life coming out of it at all. So it has the standard sort of stereo jack kind of thing for the audio visual that's plugged into the monitor, but there's nothing shown on screen. I think that's an LED there. If I just put these back in, I have actually cleaned the connectors a bit, but there's no life at all. I'll put that in there, and you know, there's nothing. So let's open it up and have a look. I think there's actually a screw under each of these pads. Yeah, there is. It's certainly screwed down well. Okay. Let's find a screwdriver. I've lost the bit out of this one, which is really annoying because it was my go-to. I've got to find the right bit again. It's very annoying. Yeah, these are not right. What the hell happened to that? I don't know where the hell it is. Lost it in the last repair cafe. It just disappeared. Anyway, so let's get this open and have a look and see what's inside. This one, I think, it may have memory, may have Resident games. I don't know. As mentioned before, has this cartridge slot here. I don't think this is going to be usable as a games machine in and of itself. I think the plan is to convert this into a joystick, just because it's so bloody strange. I can't not, you know, it's just so weird. It deserves to live again as a piece of weird objet d'art joystickery. Oh no, it's not actually. Yeah, it's not a connector. It's just so these wires go up to the 2 buttons, which are maybe independent because one's marked B and one's marked A, and then that there I think is for the light gun part of it. Got my magnifiers. So yeah, I'm not sure there's much going on there. It's what is it? Is that RS12R3? Yeah, there's not much going on in there. There's a little blob of stuff there. I'm wondering actually if you have a look in here, that connector seems to be shorted in a couple of places. That's interesting. I wouldn't imagine that's going to have much in the way of impact. So those are the on-off. So that's the turbo button. Hey, that's the on-off switch, and the joystick is so bad. Look at how crappy those connectors are. That's terrible. I mean, I suppose it's quite robust in some ways, but just a lump of metal like that is awful. It is not great. Yeah, there's quite a bit of corrosion down there. That is terrible. Look at that. That on there. That's black. That's not good at all. All right. So this here is taking 3 volts. I wonder what to do. So I'm not sure quite. I'm not 100% sure about the polarity of that. I don't have the original power supply. I was just kind of guessing. Most of these things do have some kind of reverse current, reverse polarity protection. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm cranking up the power supply. 2 cells. We'll just bung that on there because that seems to be ground on there. This one is terrible. Oh, it's actually come off. Right, that is actually free completely. Right, that's interesting. Right, so tell you what, let us get. It's so badly corroded that's actually just come off. Right, let me just chop the end of that off. I noticed if the wires are bad, I notice this a lot on the repair cafe that I attend every month. If the corrosion's really bad, then you've got poor quality wires and you just end up with nothing you can grab hold of. It's just disgusting. Right, let's put the monitor connection in there. Let's do that. Right, so that I think should be on. There's no LED there. Yeah, that's really quite bad. Oh, that's come off as well. Wow, okay. Right, maybe it wouldn't matter so much. Tell you what, let's just chop this off as well. Oh, God, that's so bad. Let's chop that off as well. It was basically already there. Yeah, the end of this wire is just ruined. Yeah, it's gone very dark. Wow. I'm sure as you guys can see that, but it's the actual metal is black, which is not great. Right, I think what I've got to do, I'm just going to unplug that a minute, and let's get this circuit board out completely. There's one screw there. Is that it? Oh, okay. One screw there. That's easy. In fairness, this is all labelled here, which is unusually nice. Yeah, left, up, right, down, A, B. Wow, it's actually nicely labelled. Who would have thought it? Oh my goodness, there's actually things going on over there. There's a lot more circuitry. There is a oh, that's so badly corroded. There is a crystal there. Right, where is the power input? Okay, let's bypass all of that completely. I don't know doing this, but hey. Oh, look at that. It's just disintegrating in my hands. Oh, hang on. My bloody monitor's gone off. Although I'm not seeing any current draw at all on the power supply. Oh, there's something there. Oh, interesting. I heard something. There was something going on. Okay, what I'm going to do, get the soldering iron, and I'm going to replace these cables because they are literally in the process of disintegrating, and we might be able to get some life out of it. Yeah, I think for now what I'll do is just tap the wires on the other side just so I can test the thing. So this won't be a permanent fix, but okay. And that one goes to there. Right, so I don't know whether that's going to do it, but those cables are not corroded, so we stand a better chance. So let's see if we can hotwire this thing. notice that that transistor there has a very bad dry joint next to it. I don't know whether that has an impact. Still got to know where that is actually. So it's in line with that, so it's there. So I might have to reflow those. Tricky. Tell you what, let's just reflow them anyway and see what happens. Question is, are there any the voltages floating around this board? Let's have a little bit of a probe around and see. No, not much. There's a tiny bit, but there's not much. I'm probing around and there's just nothing there. There's no voltages floating around anywhere. Which leads me to think that this power connector is just no good. .06, and there's no current draw. Okay, so that is bad. So if I have a look at that one, that should be 3 volts. It is 3 volts. So there's something going on. 0.3. Maybe that capacitor's gone funny. It's so badly corroded, it's ridiculous. Okay. Okay. After messing around a bit more, there are some signs of life. Now I think one of the issues may be this switch here. If I do this, so maybe my connections are okay after all. It's just that that switch is dicky. Okay, let's put some contact cleaner in there. Just let it percolate a little bit. I put some alcohol on it and rubbed it down because it was looking terrible. I think that made it better. Not entirely sure. I can see current draw. Oi! Okay. Oh, we got a flashing light as well. That must mean that there's no cartridge. So maybe it doesn't do anything. Let's turn that volume up a bit. Listen to the fantastic music. So maybe this is all it will be now, is just a music maker. Like an electronic music box. So that's reset. Oh dear. Dodgy reset. Oh dear. That didn't last very long, did it? That's drawing, what is that, 24 milliamps, 40 milliamps. That switch is not well at all. Right, so these are held together. There's like a clip there. I'm not sure whether it's possible to flick that cover off to get underneath it somehow. Hang on. I think, yeah, I've managed to get one side sort of up. Ah, that's better. Okay, so that's that bit. So what are the other controls there? So we've got turbo, that's the other button. Restart. Oh, there are other games. Are there 10 games built in? Oh my god. Okay, now none of this works because I've had to disable the ground on that. Well, actually I didn't disable it, it just dropped off. So let's hotwire the ground. This is where it gets a bit weird. Okay, so we put one on there. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to have to. So this was grounded before. So I think if we just get my meter out of the way and do that, we may have some buttons. If we do have buttons. No way. Is it all in there? 88 and 1 games is all in there. Okay, so when do we push it? Oh! God damn it! Hang on. Where is that? The start button there? Yes. Hang on. Let me move back so you can see what's going on. So, is this going to work? It does. Oh my god! Look at that! That's awesome. This is the sketchiest flipping. Oh. I'm not gonna move that away. There we go. That does work. Oh yes, I'm invincible! That's actually really cool. It's better than the other one. Oh, this is so sketchy. Can't go in and out, can you? No. Oh, I paused it. Hang on. Fortunately, I missed a couple of steps there. I didn't realise I wasn't filming. Anyway, so what I've done is I've cleaned up this battery connector. It was really, really bad. It's black, in fact. It wasn't great. And under here, I've replaced that switch with a switch I found lying around. And it's actually not. It doesn't work in quite the same way. Let me try and describe. So there's 6 connectors, and you have a wiper that's either that side when it's off or that side when it's on. Okay. Now that switch I've got, it actually alternates. So you get that, it does that. You do that, it does that. It's a bit weird. So what I've had to do is put a loop round one side of it, where I'm essentially bridging that, because what's important is actually that one, because that connects up to the battery connector. So that's all that's important. It does mean that this barrel jack's not working, but I'm not going to use that anyway. That seems to be all corroded and knackered in there. So this is good enough. So if I show you that, so that's that bridging wire you can see there. I turn the display on. It still needs a bit of a clean. Okay, is that lined up? Yeah, that's lined up. There you go. Works fine. Very nice. So I'm going to quickly button this up and then we'll give it a go. Let's play some games. I think that connector's a bit dicky as well. I think that needs to be cleaned a bit. In fact, I might do that now. Oh dear, yeah, that's quite badly corroded on the end there. One moment, please. Okay. Space War, F-22 fighter. What are we going to play? Space War? Space War. Ah, quite colourful graphics. Hey, that's alright, that. It's the stupidest joystick. Come on, let's go. Oh wow, there's a lot going on here. Oh, maybe I should have read that. Oh, my right's not working. Oh, I can't go right. Oh no, disaster. Oh no. Oh, I have to. Oh no! Maybe a wire's dropped off. Damn it! I should have tested that. Alright, hang on. Maybe it was me. I think I might have broken it as I was reassembling it. Or maybe it just dropped off at another time. I don't know. But if I can find my solder. Put a dollop of solder on there. And thankfully that has been labelled. God, this smells bad. It actually smells of like damp and stuff. It's not very nice at all. The one that seems to have come off, it says right. So maybe that's just been reversed for whatever reason. Start that and select. Oh my goodness, okay. I've chosen the weirdest flipping game. What is that? There we go, I've got left and right. Hey, that's better. That's better. Okay. Now it was a bit weird before because I don't think it aligned properly on the on-off switch. But I'm not entirely sure whether the on-off switch is tall enough. It might be slightly shorter. The post might be slightly shorter than the other one, the original switch, and that doesn't go in. Oh, hang on. There's like an interlock thing in there where you have to put that in there. Right, okay. Oh, it does work. It does work. I think it was just out of alignment. Excellent. That's fine. Street War, Panzer Race, Penguin, Marsman. Oh, Gunfight might be the light gun. Let's just find something else first. There you go. Why don't we play Shooter? Simple. Shooter. What the heck is that? Oh, that is actually a shooter. I'm not sure it works with this monitor, to be honest. How do you get out of it? That's not working very well, is it? Let's turn this off. Right. Let's just go simple. F-22 fighter. Right. Okay. So. Oh no, this is that. Oh, that's not too bad. It's a bit like 1943. The graphics are actually pretty good. It's pretty smooth. It's quite a wide field as well, and the bitmaps are quite reasonable. Look at that! Ah, this joystick is really painful to use. Whoa! Shoot! Oh god, it's really painful. Ow! The ergonomics are not great. Oh shoot! Quite sure what happened there. Did I just die, did I? Oh yeah. Oh, don't touch that. Ah! I think I lost my other gun. Lost my power up. That's a shame. There it is. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my giddy aunt, look at that one! Wait, hey! Come and get some, you. Naughty people. Oh no, did I get zapped? I did. Ah, it really hurts. It really hurts my hand. The joystick is quite thin and it's angular and really quite uncomfortable. Aye! Right, let's exit that. Game over. You push that button, it goes bleh. Reset doesn't seem to do anything. So to change the game, I think you've got to turn it off. Okay, so maybe the reset button doesn't work very well either, but hey. Look, it's a process, alright? Let's play Space. What should we play? Actually, let's play Fighter. Oh, let's not play Fighter. Oh dear, what have I done? Let's start there. There you go. You've got 2-player mode as well. I've got to, oh, that's better. Wow, what is going on here? Whoa! That's cool. It's a bit like what's it called? That oh just concentrate what you're doing, Rich. No! Quite sure how I managed to get away with that, but there you go. That's pretty good, man. I think it just needs a bit of cleaning up, this thing. Oh dear, I wasn't supposed to hit that. Was that something, was it? Whoa, grenades, grenades! Oh! Well, what can I say? It's definitely distinctive. I'm not sure it's going to catch on as the latest PlayStation, but that's actually quite cool. I'm going to play a few more of the games and see if I can find ones that I like. But I think it's got legs. There's something going on here. That's alright. I have to see if I can play this also on a CRT and see if I can get the blasty thing to work, because that would be really cool. Anyway, 88 games in one. Yeah, it's bloody painful, but yeah, it's quite weird. See you next time. Cheers.